Hello, good day to everybody. Today we are going to deal with a new grammar in English that is called as active passive voice. Now, there are many types of sentences in English and there are many grammars in which one is called as sentence transformation. Sentence transformation. So, active voice sentence is converted into passive voice sentence, or passive voice sentence sometimes is converted into active voice. So, what is the rule? Basically, once we understand what are the rules, our work becomes quite simple. Here, for active voice sentence, the rule is subject, verb, object, complement. When we want to make a sentence of active voice sentence, very first we write subject of the sentence, then according to the subject, verb, then whatever is the object, and thereafter complement. We will see some sentences. Students do their homework regularly. In this sentence, students subject, do verb, their homework object, regularly is complement. Likewise, the farmer has cultivated crops moderately. The farmer is subject, has cultivated verb, crops object, moderately is complement. Let us take some more examples. Scientists have discovered new technology for the development of transportation. Scientists, subject, have developed, verb, new technology, object. Likewise, the guard has caught a thief outside the gate. Guard, subject, has caught, verb, a thief, that is object, outside the gate, that is complement. Shopkeepers are selling articles for the customers. Shopkeepers are selling. Shopkeepers, subject, are selling, verb, articles, object, for the customers, that is complement. So this way we can make number of sentences. Students go to school regularly. In this, object is not there. A student subject go work to the school, that is object, regularly again object. My family members always take part in the prayer of Lord Shiva. My family members, that is subject, always, complement, take part, verb, in the worship of the Lord Shiva. So this way we make number of sentences of the active voice. Now the sentence to convert into passive voice, there is a rule. First we write object, then auxiliary verb according to the tense of the sentence, then past participle form of the verb, and then agent, that is subject, by subject, then a rest part of the sentence. Repeat, object plus auxiliary verb as per the tense of the sentence, plus past participle form of the verb, plus agent, plus rest part of the sentence. This sentence, whatever is written, let us convert it into passive voice. Students do their homework regularly. What is object in this? Their homework. This is a simple present tense. To convert into passive voice, the auxiliary verb is, are, am. Is for the singular number, are is for the plural number, am with I. So here object is their homework. There is a singular number subject. So their homework is done by students regularly. Students, that is agent by students. Their homework, object, so written their homework. Their homework is done by students regularly. Second sentence is, the farmer has cultivated crops moderately. Here the farmer is subject, has cultivated verb, crops object, moderately complement. So crops, and here this is present perfect tense. So for present perfect tense in passive voice, the auxiliary verb is has been, have been. So here crops have been cultivated. Crops verb, object. According to this, the verb is have been. Crops have been cultivated by the farmer moderately. Take some more sentences. I eat one apple every day. This is simple present tense. One apple is eaten by me every day. My servant cooks delicacies every day. Delicacies, that is object, and sentence is simple present tense. My servant cooks delicacies every day. Delicacies are cooked by my servant every day. Different. My father had purchased a new car last month. A new car, object. Had purchased. This is past perfect tense. So past perfect tense passive voice, the object is had been. A new car had been purchased by my father last month. So people in India purchase goods from the malls. Goods, that is object. People, that is subject. People purchase, this is present tense, simple present tense. So goods are purchased by the people from the malls. Travelers mostly use train in Mumbai. Train is the object. Train is used by the passengers mostly in Mumbai. So this way, this is very simple. If we keep in our mind the rules, active voice sentence, subject plus verb plus object plus complement, and in case of passive voice, object plus auxiliary verb plus past participle form of the verb plus agent plus rest part of the sentence. This is a simple rule for, and for imperative mood sentence, there is a different rule what we will learn right now. We have already discussed imperative mood sentence. Imperative mood sentence is a sentence in which command, request, order, instruction, advice are given. So if it is given, please give me a glass of water. So in this is a request, and very first we write the object. A glass of water is object. In this, the subject is silent. You is silent. So always the imperative mood sentence into passive voice will start from let. Let, then object. Let a glass of water be given to me. Into bracket by you. Let a glass of water be given to me by you. Complete your homework by tomorrow. Let your homework be completed by you tomorrow. Worship the God right in the morning. Let the God be worshipped right in the morning. Give water to the plants. Let the plants be given water by you in the morning. So this type of sentences, do regular exercise for your better health. Let the regular exercise be done by you. So this way the rules are very simple for the passive voice. For passive voice, object plus auxiliary verb as per the tense of the sentence. For every type of sentences, simple present tense, present progressive tense, present perfect tense, present perfect progressive tense, simple past tense, there are different auxiliary verbs for the passive voice that we have to learn by heart. If we practice this rule, first we learn the rule and then practice it, in a month time we will get the perfection in this transformation of sentences, active, passive. Hope it is crystal clear to you. See you in the next edition of my YouTube video. Thank you. Thank you.